So hi everyone, you can see here that in this video we will going to see that how to search a pattern from multiple files using the grep command. So currently we are in this current directory. Okay, so let me show you that which directory it is. It is a root directory. So guys, if you want to get an idea about how many files contains the same pattern, right, like we did in the previous year in the steps, so we want to find that whichever file has this common pattern in here. So for that we will use grep, then hyphen r, right? So this hyphen r means recursive searches, right? And just mention the pattern here, so you can mention anything here, right? And in this command we don't need to have a search for a file, right? So if you mention any file, it will search for the file, but we just want to scan the entire directory, okay, and all the file inside this directory. So you can see that there are 4 files, so we want to scan all the 4 files in one command. That's why we are using grep hyphen r and then the pattern, right? So this way we can search multiple files, okay, in one command, and you can then go forward with your task. So in this way, this is very useful and short way to find the patterns using the grep command. So hope guys this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.